Hey, Jonathan. Hope you're having a great day. So your question, can you edit the email preferences page? And the answer is kind of. So most of this is pretty much set in stone. The reason being is for the ultimate level of compliance to make sure that you don't get in trouble with any marketing legislation in your area, to keep it also for people on your list as simplistic and as straightforward as possible, so that you don't get into trouble with them for making it difficult to unsubscribe or to manage their email preferences. So the design is the way it is, and we borrowed elements from some of the largest email centers and email sending services out there: MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Infusionsoft, etc. We borrowed elements from all of those to design what we think to be a very, very, very good preference and center. That being said, if you do want to make changes, there are limited ways that you can do that. Number one is that custom CSS is abided on this page. So if I want to go to the customizer and I want to change CSS of various different elements, like I want to change the button color, then you can go ahead and do that. And I can just do I think that should work. Change the background color with CSS. Didn't work. Wonder why not. There we go. There we go. I got it to work. So we can change the CSS of various different elements, keeping in mind specificity. So we can change, for example, that one. If we wanted to do, that one's a link. Like that. There we go. We can change button colors. You can pretty much do that for anything. You can go ahead and change colors or sizing or font sizes using custom CSS. Again, I'm not sure that you'd want to go about doing that, simply because that the Preferences Center is designed with accessibility in mind. So it's easy to navigate for like the visually impaired, for example. Everything's quite clear. And everything is designed with a purpose. The other way that you can actually go ahead and make modifications to this, like if you want to, example, translate it into your own language, you can absolutely do that. And the way that you go about doing that is with LocoTranslate. And we have actually some documentation in our documentation area of exactly how to go about translating Groundhogg. And you'll be able to find all of the strings that are on that page and translate them into different language, your own language, or just change it into a different form of English and modify the text a little bit. So it's kind of up to you how you want to do that. As far as like core components of the Preferences Center go, like if you want to like remove a section or remove a text box or something like that, that is a no-go. So everything here is here permanently. And again, for the reason of keeping you compliant, keeping you on the right side of marketing legislation and privacy laws and all of that fun stuff, and also keeping you on the right side of your customers and how they perceive your business as well. So for example, you have GDPR features enabled, then you're going to have this entire GDPR centric panel. You can't remove that if you have the GDPR features enabled. You can, to a degree, modify this area. as well. So if you want to add additional like topics and preferences, you can use our advanced extensions. You can use our advanced email preferences tool, which allows you to add custom preferences to the page as well as remove other preferences. So you may want to check out our advanced email preferences extension to modify or at least add new options to this page. So I hope that answers your question and gives you a little bit of context and allows you to accomplish whatever it is that you're looking to accomplish.